Well, here, let me announce this. I don't know, dude.
I think it's fine.
You think so? It's...
Is that motorcycle gonna go for it? Okay, the truck is. Let's see if somebody else does it.
People are, yeah, they're watching it.
It's fine. If the motorcycle can do it, I can do it.
Okay. If we get...
If I was in my camera, I wouldn't do it.
Yeah, let's...
Did you want a picture of it or no? You said you wanted to do some of it.
I'm fine. I'm recording it on the camera. I'm this. Dude, no. Look how fast it's going. That's
fast. That's how deep it is.
Yeah, it's deep. Well, it's deep, and then if you got an undertow, yeah. Let's just kind of hang. Let's just kind of hang and get a feel for it. Maybe I'll take some pictures.
Well, that guy's going. Look.
Well,
he's going pretty.
It is deeper. No, it's deep, dude. It's right. It's
yeah, well, it is going a lot faster. You're right.
Well, let's follow this truck. Let's see what we'll see what he does.
Well, he's a lot higher off the ground.
Yeah.
It is moving pretty fast.
Yeah, that's.
I mean, not that it's going to sweep us away, but.
Well, they say it only takes a couple inches of water.
Really?
Jesus, I don't know. If you go really slow, you might do it. But there's another one beyond it too, and there I see some. It's up to you. Your call.
You say no, though, huh?
Well, they made it, but they were going kind of fast. You can just do this. All right. Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Like, well, maybe we're still getting something.
Well, I know.
He's going to walk out in this, so let's see how deep it is.
Okay. I'll follow you. You follow me?
Really? Okay.
It's only halfway up to his knees. We could make it. It's up to you. You want to do it?
Okay. Yeah, I think it's going down.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can kind of see it right here. It's not as high. It's not as the dew point is a little on the sticky side. Let's see.
Got too many people crossing the road at the same time.
Yeah, I think one at a time. Okay. 70.
It's holding at 70. It's a little slower to the left too, the momentum of the water, so I'm going to stay a little more to the left. Actually, that was pretty smart to just walk out. You're bare, you know. I mean, all they would have had sandals on.
Yep. Okay, we'll close that form.
You want me to go now, or you want to get it on cam?
I got it. I'm recording. It's going. People are watching. Oh man. There. Let's go.
This is freaky.
It is. Just go slow because if you pick up too much speed, you know the hydroplaning effect. So it's all. Oh, nice CGs, dude. We gotta get close to that. Look, but we still got we still got a few other.
The guy in the motorhome took it. Huh?
Let me look at GR. Let me see if they went ahead and put my flash flood report. No, they didn't yet.
They might not even do that.
Yeah, I know. I was like, I mean, I see other people do it. It's like, why don't they do me? Freaking jerks. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, the Desert Center is weakened, so looking a little.
I think it's faster for one.
Oh, it is faster. Oh, dude, I don't know.
Is it about the same length? Let's see what the trailer does.
The trailer starts to like shift. Mm-hmm.
You made it. Want to go? You're not saying anything.
I'm not. I don't know, dude.
No?
That one, it does make me a little nervous, but it's a.
Oh boy, more people are taking it.
Yeah, let them go. But
I
yeah.
know. Oh, he's got a little trailer. Oh, that's faster. Let's see what happens to his little trailer.
Everybody's telling me on the chat room, don't do it, don't do it.
Don't do it?
But I said Jerry wants to.
Oh, that's cruel.
Ooh, look at the water. It's you know what it is? It depends on how fast you go.
You're going. I agree.
And,
It's not that deep.
Oh, look at this 18-wheeler. Holy crap.
Nice picture. Oh, the van can do it. I can do it.
Hold on, yeah.
So the van looks like it's about ready to float away.
I had a little bit of vertigo when it went by.
Oh, that guy's sliding around.
Okay.
I got my traction going on.
Yeah, but look.
Hmm?
Okay, you got your traction control?
Yep.
Okay. A couple of nice chicks, man. Yeah. Oops.
God, I feel like a freaking boat.
Okay, yeah, just
Oh,
be.
it's really fast in here.
Yeah, dude. Really got to be. Just go
We're going
easy.
good. We're going good.
Just go easy. This is. Oh, yeah. Maybe that's what it is. If you hit those rocks and the wheels lift, then the water takes you under.